Hello everybody, I'm Taylor Serene. Welcome back to my channel designed around yoga, motherhood, and just a guide to living a better life. For those of you who don't know, this is my first pregnancy, and right now I am in my third trimester, and I've just been dedicating a lot of pampering and self-care at this time. It's almost over, and I thought I'd share with you a little review on a belly mask that I've been seeing a lot of other pregnant women use. It's called Evereden Belly Mask. Now, I know I've been using my own belly routine this entire pregnancy. It's been working phenomenal. As you can see, still no stretch marks. If you want to see that video, the link is posted below in my description. However, I just thought it'd be fun to switch it up just this one time, especially because this mask is so cute. So we will get started right away, but first, let's discuss why I even use belly masks. Being pregnant, a big concern is stretch marks, and a big thing to help with that is hydration. Hydration is going to allow more elasticity. You definitely want that moisture. A belly routine or a belly mask usually are soaked with ingredients to help with inflammation, to help with scars, to help with damaged skin. If you haven't come up with your own belly routine or some kind of belly mask to apply every day, I highly recommend you to. It's really soothing. It's a way to pamper yourself during pregnancy. It's a way to massage your baby. It's a wonderful form of self-care. So without further ado, let's get started with this Evereden belly mask review. So here's the mask right here. Evereden Soothing Belly Mask. Excuse me if I'm saying this wrong, but it consists of kakadu plum. We'll just say plum, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Fragrance-free, plant-based, and non-toxic. Here it is right here. Of course, this will be posted below in the description as well. On the back it says, no parabens,
no synthetic fragrances, no petroleum.
And this is the box that it came in. So very cute. Hey baby, we're committed to creating the purest products.
For precious skin, no compromises, no gimmicks, no worries. Clean and non-toxic, pediatrician created, dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin.
And that is very good to know. So step one is
apply once or twice a week as needed. Use after a bath or shower. On clean, dry skin, remove the mask from packet and carefully separate by peeling slowly.
2.
Smooth the mask over your belly, patting gently but firmly to ensure mask fits well onto skin.
All right, y'all. It's a very nice material. It's not just like a piece of paper, it's like really clothy. Not too, whoop! Does it have 2 in here? Okay, now I'm confused. No, it's not 2 in here. It was just protecting it. This is so cute. It has a little thing for the belly button. So when you apply, guys, know that it's the wide way, not the long way like I had it. I make it look difficult, but it's really not. And I think this is right. The hole for the belly button is all the way up here though. I don't know. Either way, it smells really good. And it is soaked with those components, the avocado oil, coconut oil, and the plum. So you definitely get all of those beautiful ingredients, a generous amount of it. And it said gently but firmly rub it on How cute are the little wings on here? Step 3.
Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes as desired. Gently remove mask and discard. Lightly massage any remaining liquid into your belly, hip, breast, or pat dry with a tissue. No rinsing required.
I am definitely going to do that. Alright, it's been actually 20 minutes, so I can definitely take this off now. And I'm just going to apply the remainder like it said in the instructions, just a little bit everywhere else. And I do not have to rinse, which is so awesome. So my thoughts on this mask, I liked it. It made me feel really good. I like the vibe that it gives, like the overall packaging, the colors, the little angel wings on the side. Like, I just think the overall presentation really sold me. Definitely something that I would create. Right now it's a little sticky. I don't know. It was really soothing, had a cooling effect. Kind of wish I bought a pack of them. I only bought one. I would definitely add it to my belly routine on top of what I already do, just because I really enjoyed the experience. So yes, overall that was a whole lot of fun. I personally loved it. I would definitely get it again. The package was $12.99. A little pricey, but I still loved it. But yes, that is my review on the Evereden Belly Mask. I enjoyed it a lot. Comment down below on what you use for your belly routine or what you would like to use in the future. Again, the belly routine that I have been using my whole pregnancy is in the description below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on yoga and motherhood and just living an overall better life. I wish you all a happy and healthy pregnancy, delivery, newborn, labor, and I will see you all next time. Bye!